Join me on the picturesque flyover of East Riverside Drive in Windsor, Ontario. We begin at Lakeside Marina, where the glistening waters of the Detroit River beckon fishermen and sailors. The Peele Passage Lighthouse served as a navigational aid for the ship's safe passage between Point Peele and Peele Island from 1902 to 1975. In 1980, the original steel tower was dismantled and re-erected on Riverside Drive. As we follow Riverside heading east along the road, take in the views of the Riverfront. Lush greenery lines the path, parks, the Ganatchio Trail, and quiet neighborhoods, providing a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Sandpoint Beach, a local favorite for sunbathing, swimming, and creating cherished memories. Soak in the vibrant atmosphere and enjoy the gentle lapping of the waves. But the adventure doesn't end there. Beyond Sandpoint Beach, each Riverside Drive unveils a world of hidden gems, exploring charming parks, historic landmarks, and quaint neighborhoods that capture the essence of Windsor's rich heritage. As we pan over East Riverside, we head west to the setting sun. Windsor's waterfront is full of great places to have fun or just relax. Or a short paddle from Kayak Cove to Peach Island for an adventure. East Riverside Drive is an interesting place to visit. I hope you enjoyed the flight as much as I did. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.